phone is all in the morning, had me going off for you, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring this hair. This hair is from Beautyforever hair. I colored and created this wig by myself. If you want to get a wig made, the email will be in my description box. So all I'm doing is just installing this wig like regular with the Got To Be Free spray. I just want to tell you guys a little bit of specs on this hair. This is their curly hair, their Brazilian curly. It is 3 bundles and a frontal. I think it's 3 bundles of 26 inches and a frontal. I will be posting the video on how I colored this hair and also how I sew in the elastic band to make this wig glueless. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be doing a mini playlist at the end of my video. So I will put the timestamp on the video so you guys can know, like, if you want to skip to that time, you can see the playlist, and I will have all the songs and the times listed in my description box. I'm going to try to do that for sure. So here I'm just using my elastic band to just give that some tension to make it nice and melted. And then when I let it go, you will see this looking nice and amazing. Here I'm just doing my middle part. It's really hard for me to do a middle part. So what I do is I try to follow the middle of my nose and make that part. And then all I do is I use some leave-in conditioner and some water for my curly hair routine. I do this every time. But use a little bit because I used a little bit and I'll use a little bit too much and it was a little bit weighed down. Anyways, so here I'm just making sure that the part is perfected and it's still crooked, but oh well. I'm just going to show you guys how I get my part to be super crisp. I use my concealer. This is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm using that on a straight brush. This is not an angled brush. It's just straight. It's a straight flat brush. And I'm just going down the part. And this just cleans the part up and just make it nice and seamless. And that's basically all it is to it. Just make sure that your part isn't crooked and it makes it much better. So basically, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, time for us to do a little bit of singing.
Slow down, it's for you. Can't nobody put it on me. I said can't nobody put it on me. Mike Jordan, fuck them niggas. You know them niggas type ball. Shawty, you know ain't no price on you. Shawty, you know ain't no price on concrete. I never been wrong, but I the more you try to get the youth, the more you tell the story. 21 guns follow, that's the fire. Entertainment inside the mountains. Solid as a rock. The know she whisper, she now you know. She said, put her legs in the election. Personal, see girl you full of curves. Yeah, girl, when you put her in out, me say pretty girl, do you have any up on duty? Boy can't file a state, tell him don't do that. Fuck me, love how your waistline a go round, how your waistline a go round. Wine for me, wine. Give me the chance, let me squeeze up the baby girl. Oh, girl you a queen, Fendi for your body, Gucci for your body. Baby girl, tonight we know what you gonna do it. My $1 million question. Bring it to the owner. No.
Snapping off the rip. Yo, say I'm a favorite nigga. Before a show, you gotta pay me before I go. Free my cousin till he free. He doing time. Tell him free. I'm listen, ain't no salad. Blow the whistle, that bitch travel. Fuck all that talking, we bout action. What we bout? You gotta say.
I surround my nigga, glacier hoe. 10 nigga, you can get a show. Brick or mo. 3 niggas all black, patch gray. With the arm and helm. If you looking for me, I'm in East Atlanta. With the arm and helm.
We just second it's something she came out here for the weekend, out for the freaking. While I'm looking for the I sip way too much drink. I won't try to pretend. Spend every night with my clique, telling you it's getting too deep. I'm a player, I just crash, babe. I wanna get them drugs from you. Speed in front of like friends with Baby, you say your body a no why you wear no lingerie tonight for me, girl. Obviously you're naked on the pipe. Oh, we are make love tonight.
Why is it that you can only see the worst in me and the most of these? And I'm here, that'll make me transform to Hercules.
We gotta play the performance, because if y'all don't know the performance, bitch, it's in my description box. Go look at the performance.
I don't give a F-U-C-K. Forget Barbie, fuck Nikki, she's play. Just killed another career, it's a mom. Now look at what you just saw. This is what you live for. A motherfucking monster. Niggas frontin' like they got a plan. Who's mobile ass nigga? Gotta check for y'all. Running from the shop for y'all. I'm gonna get shot from y'all. Niggas forget, nigga, what the fuck I get to you, nigga? Ladies, if you standing next to a real nigga, make some noise. Niggas, if you got $100 or more in your pocket, make some motherfucking noise. Wow, I would never fucking man ass nigga. See you try, bitch, I'm me. Bitch, I'm me. Shit on 'em. Hands up, hands up. That's your shit on 'em. Hands up, hands up. Push your number twos in the air. Hands up, hands up. Shit on 'em. Hands up. I see you next time. All these bitches is my sons. And I'ma go and get some bibs for 'em. A couple formulas, leave a pretty lids on. If I had a dick, I would pull it out and piss on. And they ain't saying that. Bees in the trap. I bees in the bitches ain't shit, and they ain't saying